Hey, how's it going? Okay, so I need to do some more stuff. So what I'm going to do here is I want to create a box over here again, and I'm just going to change the size of it and give it a Z thickness of 20. I don't need a lot. And then I can just bring that down over to, say, here, just where I need it. Let's get it lined up against the edge, which is what it isn't. There we go. That's a bit better. Still not in place though. Probably have to do this in the top side and other viewports, unfortunately. So let's go down here. Put that in there. Line up to the top and then across to there. There we go. And then I'm going to just go into edit mode, start moving it a bit. And same again for this bit, so don't need that bit though, so I better reselect it, bring that over to there. Okay, now what I'm going to do is create a copy, which may not be exactly the same size, so oops, I copied the wrong parts. There we go, bring that over to there, and as you can see it's not even, so I'll change this side. Okay, like that. And this should give us what we need to kind of get started on it. I'm just going to go here and here because they're also at the wrong height, I believe. Just lower them down a bit so they're fitting in better. Okay, now if I go over to here and I can click edit and just bring this up. And if I just have a look in here, we can see how high I made that. And did I get that right first time? No, a little bit too. There we go. Not quite high enough, you see. And then over here, where this one is. See how we did here. Again, we're close, but we don't win a cigar. It's a shame because I like cigars. Look at that. There. Okay, now if I go to here, select this edge, what we need to do is bring this edge over here. So I'm going to go to my top viewport, because that's where I'm going to be doing this, and I'm going to extrude it. Okay, and then go back to edit, and then down here I can use that to move this. Let's get it nice and close. And we can kind of see exactly where the edge needs to be. It's about there. Just as long as it goes over the edge. And then we'll do the same over here. So I'll just try and get in close enough to get this edge again. And extrude it. Then back to edit. Let's try and find the down thing because it's over here now. And then let's bring that all the way into this top corner there. Okay, now back to our maximised viewport, and as you can see we have now kind of a nice piece going on here. I just want to check that we don't have any parts lost that shouldn't be. Bring that forward a little bit there, and I think I can do the same over here. I'll just check it, scooching around the model. The reason a lot of people don't make tutorials for game engines a lot of the time is because they really do become insufferably difficult to record after a while. Right, this ship is too big at a scale of 2, so I'm going to make it 1.5. That way we can have it off to one side as well, because I don't like using too much symmetry. Bums me out. So, where's my move tool gone? There it is at the front. Move it over there. Then back a bit. We could even, now come to think of it, have the ship on 90 degrees, as if it's kind of fully docked. And then just over there, and down a bit. Okay, that's not bad. Another option would be to have it over the side like this and build ourselves a little kind of entryway, which I can do as well in a minute. Right, so enough ballsing about. What I'm going to do now is I am going to apply some basic materials to the inside of our wondrous space station. So I have some suitable stuff that already came with this, so if I just put this illuminated floor texture in, like that, and then if I come out onto this big BSP here, now obviously this is going to be a slightly different area, so we could have concrete tiles for that. Now, as you can see, they don't really line up on this area, so what I can do is just change my alignment to planar. As you can see, we still get a few kind of defects on this. We can move them around a bit to help them match up though. So I'll just again apply that and just get these lined up a bit better, and then this way. Till we get a fair square like that. There, that's better. There's some patching, but nothing serious. Now we've got those in, so that's okay. So, what about the walls here? Well, we could have poured concrete, if you want a kind of very basic look there. Or some nice metal, if we're going for the space station look. See, so if this is our kind of coming out onto the docks area, we'd have that. And then inside here, tech panel. I love a tech panel. We can actually change the way the tech panel works here, you see, as well, by just changing its just changing the way that it's laid onto here. I'm not going to then. I think probably just a nice clean kind of ceramic look will do for me. So nice and reflective and clean. And this kind of texture is ridiculously easy to make as well. Okay, and then for the ceiling, we can just put the basic floor on it, or let's have a look. Concrete poured's nice, but it's patchy and it's not suitable for this. Just got to find something suitable. That's quite nice. Those dots. Let's have this though, the hex tile. Makes it nice and bright. There we are. And now we can see the area where it's kind of stopping being inside and becoming outside. Like that. Now I'm going to take this light out. And we're going to go out here to where this is. And then in the next part we're going to stick some lights and other fun effects on this to make it look cool. So, see you in the next bit.